Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best shelf for classroom use, the Furinno Luder 7 Cube bookcase in white. Whether you're looking to organize textbooks, supplies, or display projects, this bookcase offers a perfect blend of style, functionality, and affordability that makes it an excellent choice for educational spaces. Right from the start, the design is simple yet stylish, fitting seamlessly into any classroom environment. It's constructed from engineered particle board, giving it a sturdy feel while keeping the weight manageable for easy assembly. The white finish adds a clean, contemporary touch, brightening up the room without overwhelming the existing decor. Measuring 9.4 inches deep, 19.5 inches wide, and 41.7 inches tall, this bookcase strikes a great balance between storage capacity and space efficiency. The 7 individual cubby shelves provide plenty of room to store books, notebooks, and other classroom essentials. Each cube can hold a variety of items, making the shelf versatile enough to accommodate different needs. One of the standout features is its floor-mounted design, which ensures stability on flat surfaces, a key factor in busy classrooms where safety and durability are important. Despite its solid construction, the Furinno Luder bookcase is surprisingly easy to assemble, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. This means minimal downtime setting up and more time getting your classroom organized. The open cubby style also encourages easy access and visibility, which is great for young students who need to quickly find their materials. This setup promotes tidiness and organization, essential qualities for any learning environment. Another advantage of this bookcase is its affordability. It fits well within most budgets without compromising on quality or aesthetics. The Furinno brand is known for creating furniture that fits your space and budget, and this 7-cube bookcase is no exception. In terms of style, the contemporary design ensures it won't look out of place whether your classroom is traditional or modern. Plus, with multiple color options available, you can choose one that best complements your existing classroom theme. In summary, the Furinno Luder 7 Cube bookcase stands out as the best shelf for classrooms because it combines durability, functionality, a clean design, and affordability into one package. If you're looking to create a more organized and visually appealing learning space, this bookcase is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.